my name is Emily, and today we are going to be discussing polysilic aromatic hydrocarbons. We're going to be looking at what they are, why it's important to know how they impact not only the environment but human health as well, and in what ways we can minimize their impact. So the first thing is, what are polysilic aromatic hydrocarbons? And these are going to be, they're a type of compound that is produced when an incomplete combustion or high pressure process occurs, such as like the incomplete burning, like incineration of waste or something such as that. What are they? How are they used, and where do they come from? So they're used often in things such as making dyes, pesticides, plastics, and things such as that. As for where they come from, a small portion comes from natural emissions such as volcanoes, forest fires, things such as that, which those emissions are not as vital or dangerous. The main ones that are going to be like industrial, mobile, or agricultural emissions, which are, as I mentioned earlier, incomplete combustions or cooking on oil or gas burners, and then like exhaust from cars or big factories and things such as that. So how does this impact human health? So prolonged exposure can lead to things such as headaches, dizziness, and then nervous and digestive system disorders. Prolonged exposure, or even exposure to a large amount in a short time, can lead to cancer. There was research done that led to tumors in mice, as well as reproductive issues and birth defects in mice as well. Polysilic aromatic hydrocarbons have a large impact on microorganisms in the environment as well. They can be mutagenic, which means that they are capable of inducing genetic mutations in microorganisms. They can be carcinogenic, which results in cancer. They can be teratogenic, which means that it can disturb the development of an embryo, which can result in either the halt of a pregnancy or in congenital malfunction or other birth defects. And then they can also be immunotoxic, which just results in adverse effects on the functioning of systemic and local immune systems. So in what ways can we limit the impact that these have? So the first thing is notifying the EPA of large amounts of PAHs that are released in a 24-hour time period. And then a large thing is just being informed. So being informed of lakes and streams or areas that have high PAHs, which the EPA has lists of. And then another way would be to limit man-made emissions such as exhaust or agricultural or industrial emissions such as that.